Hey folks! I've been on the lookout for different ways to make some extra cash online, primarily by watching videos. But guess what? Most of the platforms I tried were either experiencing technical issues or their payouts were disappointingly low. But then, something interesting happened. I stumbled upon this shiny new platform and I thought, why not give it a shot? I did some research, watched some videos, checked out their paid plans, and even saw real payment proof from users. It all looked pretty legit. Now, here's the exciting part. I've been using this platform for the past week and I've already made around $100, all while spending less than 5 minutes on it each day. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. So, what's the name of this money-making gem? It's called paidreels.com and their business model is simple. They pay you for watching ads in movie scenes. Yep, it's that straightforward. You sign up, dive right in, and start earning cash. I've even dropped the link in the description so you can check it out for yourself and start making some money. If you want the nitty-gritty details, here's the lowdown. Step 1. Making money with paidreels.com. To get started, you need to register on their website and provide your information. Then, head over to the Earn section and click on Paid Reels TV. You'll find a bunch of videos waiting for you. And here's the kicker. You don't have to sit through the entire video. Just watch for a quick 20 to 30 seconds and you're good to go. Step 2. Supercharge your earnings. Now here's a little trick to boost your earnings. Consider getting one of their earning accounts. I'd recommend starting with a basic account. It gives you access to more ads, and they're valid for a whole year. Plus, with a basic account, you get a neat bonus. You earn 5% of what your referrals make while they watch videos. It's like free money. And speaking of referrals, invite your friends to join. When they use your link to sign up and purchase an account, you'll earn a generous 5% commission on every upgrade. This could add up to $160 per upgrade, depending on the account type your friend chooses. Trust me, referrals are where the real money is. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Now, to purchase any of their earning accounts, you'll need to have funds in your purchase balance. You can add funds in several ways, with the easiest being through Binance. Simply go to the Finance section, click on Deposit, choose your payment processor, select your coin type, enter the amount, and hit Deposit. Afterward, copy the address linked to your Paid Reels account. Now, head over to your Binance account, choose Withdraw, select USDT, click Send via Crypto Network, paste the address you copied earlier, and click Network. Make sure to choose the TRC20 Tron network. Enter the amount you want to send and then click Withdraw. The payment is complete and you'll see the deposited amount in your purchase balance section. To purchase any of their earning accounts, click on Membership and select Buy Earning Account. Here, you can choose from various earning accounts. If you opt for a higher value account, your earnings will be significantly larger. Simply click Buy Now, choose Purchase Balance, and click Confirm Purchase, and you're all set. Oh, and here's the best part. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee on all paid plans. So, if it's not your cup of tea, you can request a refund without any hassle. And just to put any lingering doubts to rest, I've got some live proof of my earnings. I'll show you how to withdraw the cash you've earned. It's as easy as pie. First, let's check the available balance in my Binance account before the withdrawal. Now let's go back to Paid Reels, head to Finance, click on Withdraw, choose your earnings balance and payment processor, enter the amount and click Withdraw. You'll receive a confirmation code in your email, just enter that and voila, you're done. I even received an email from Binance.com confirming the deposit of my earnings. To seal the deal, here's the available balance in my Binance account after the withdrawal. So, It's safe to say that this platform is the real deal. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!